Hello YouTube, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Sabina and welcome to Nutrition for Foodies. I make videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the little bell icon so you don't miss out on next week's videos. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about using psychology to get skinny. I know you're interested, so keep on watching. Rule number 1, trick yourself into feeling full. So how can you do this? Basically, one thing you could do is drink water before you eat each meal. So drink 1 cup of water every time before you eat a meal. And what this will do is you will get full a lot quicker, and water has 0 calories, so you're not putting in any calories in your body. Another thing you could do is eat a snack. Eat a healthy snack. By healthy, I mean either fruits or vegetable. So carrots, celery, cucumber, bell peppers, watermelon, banana, oranges. All of those snacks are super healthy for you. Third thing you could do is before you eat anything or even think about eating, drink water. Drink at least 2 cups of water, and then if you're still hungry, go ahead and go get something to eat. So what this does is sometimes when your body thinks you're hungry, it's really not hungry. It's actually thirsty. So a way of telling you that it wants water is by making you feel like it's hungry. If that makes sense, let me know. Because it makes sense in my head and it may not make sense to you. Okay, so rule number two is actually make working out fun. What you could do is you could go to a Zumba class, you could tag a friend along that will work out with you. Just make it fun. Take classes, take CrossFit. I took CrossFit for a few months and I would have so much fun. Okay, rule number 3 is get enough sleep. Less sleep equals bad decisions. What I mean by this is when you don't get enough sleep, your body tends to want carbs, like simple carbs, and it tends to also want sugary foods like ice cream, anything that will get your body running. So get enough sleep to the point where your thinking isn't affected by hunger. Number 4, don't go food shopping hungry. I have done this so many times. I should be smacked in the head. Because when you do this, you tend to buy all the foods that you don't need to eat. All the foods that have so much starch, have so much carbs, all the foods are sugary, chips, all of that. You don't want that in your body, so don't go food shopping hungry. If you go food shopping hungry, just picture me smacking you in the head. You're gonna love me for this last trick because forbidden foods are tempting. So, what I mean by forbidden foods are like pizza and tacos, ramen, all of that. So when you say no to all of these foods, you're actually tempting yourself into wanting to eat it. And then eventually you'll be like, oh, maybe I'll just have a little piece, and then you just end up eating the whole thing. What you could do is, instead of saying no, just have a little piece, because then you won't be tempted anymore. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, my name is Sabina. Don't forget to hit the subscription button. I make videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays, and don't forget to hit the little bell icon so you don't miss out on next week's video. Thank you.